Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my full face first impression video with some new products which I have been collecting from some time, and this is where I have some of the stuff. So recently when the Jabong was having a sale, I bought some of the makeup stuff on a very dirt cheap price. I'm gonna tell you what all products I got. This is by the brand called Neha 3INA, that's how it is called, and I got a bunch of products from the Jabong, and surprisingly these products were available only on Jabong, exclusively online. So but that time that they were like on some sale price, so I got them for like 100, 200, 300 rupees off on each product. That was like pretty good. And also I bought some of my e.l.f. stuff and also some of the Makeup Revolution products. So I thought I should do a full face first impression sort of video with using all the new products that I got. Couple of products which I could not find new, I will be using my existing products for those ones, but majority of the products are going to be very new, so I can tell you what I think about it. You can see the live swatches and demo going on my face. So let's get started. So to begin with, I don't have a primer. Yes, so since I don't have a primer, I'll be using my Bourjois Happy Light Matte Serum Primer. I kind of like it. It's nice for the summertime, and it's nice thick in consistency, so I'll be using this one. You can see it's pretty thick. Just rubbing in with my fingers, and so for my foundation, I'll be using Neha, the nude foundation, and actually the products are quite expensive, honestly. And this is what the product looks like. Let me shake it a bit. That's how it comes. I like the bottle. It's quite nice, chic, made of glass, so not very travel friendly, but considering the amount of the product that you get, the prices are really huge. I'll have all the price details and everything in the description box below. So this is the 30 ml of the product. I'm in shade 308. The bad part is I could not understand the colors in the on the website. That was something like really tricky for me, so I just bought something using my gut feeling, and let's see how it goes. So it has a dropper, and let me, oh god, it's very runny. What was that? See, it's everywhere on my hand. It's very, very watery, even though I shaked it, but seems like that didn't work. And it has a very weird smell. I don't like the smell, and looks like the foundation and the oil are like separated completely. God, let me just buff it and see how it works. But it's very, very lightweight, which is the best part for the foundation if you are planning to hoard some of the makeup products for the summertime. It's very lightweight, and oh my god, it just mixes up in my skin like a dream. It has a very medium coverage, so great for the summertime and something my style. I don't like very cakey coverage, so I think I really like it. Okay, moving on. I don't have a baking powder or the setting powder. I'll be using this Maybelline one. This is one I picked up from Singapore, and it's called their all-in-one light. It has 20 SPF, and I don't think I have used it much, so that is how it looks. I'll be using this one to just puff it on all over my face. Okay, so I really like it. It's very lightweight, and plus it has a good coverage. So if you are using very sheer sort of foundation, you can always cover up your face using this one. So I really like it. Plus it has SPF, which is always a great thing. Now since my face is set, I'll just wait for the concealer because I want to go with my eyes first, and then we'll move on to the rest of the face. So for my eyes, let me show you what I'm planning to pick. I got this particular stuff from Nina. It's called Nina, right? Nina. And this is how the kajal looks like. I picked up in the green color. Let me swatch it a bit for you. It's a very waxy one, and I think I really like the kajal color. I really don't have anything in this particular color. I think I'll just go a little bit of the smoky eyes. So honestly, it's very creamy, and but since it's very creamy, we really have to see whether it's smudged or not. But if you want to create some nice smoky eyes, this is pretty good because it just spreads on your eyes like a dream. So I'm just working with this one. Now taking this brush, I'm just going to smudge it. Yeah. So now, since I have just spread it on all over my eyes, I want to take this palette by Makeup Revolution. I own it from a long time, but I was not able to use it because it came broke. You can see these three colors like broke completely. I just fixed it up using the rubbing alcohol. So I want to take some of the brown shade just to apply in my crease. So I'm taking this particular one. It's a little dark, so it's give a nice smoky effect, and just working a bit on my crease. Now taking the same kajal and applying on my lower lash line. And I'll be using the concealer again by Nina. That is how it looks in the packaging, and that is how the product looks like. It is in shade number 103. Let's see if it is my shade or not. That's the wand, and let's begin. Again, very thin. It's not like very thick in consistency. I think it has a very decent coverage. I really like it, and it just mixes up well into my skin. I think I'm really impressed with this concealer. Again, something very nice. Let me just set it once again with this particular powder. Now moving on, since I don't have any champagne sort of color to put it into my inner corners as well as below my eyebrows, I think I want to take this product. This is again a new launch by Makeup Revolution, and it is their Peach and Glow highlighter cum blusher palette. I love the packaging. Just look at this. It's so pretty, very Too Faced inspired sort of product. That is how the product looks like. Again, comes with a giant mirror, which is something I love, and you have a ombre effect going here. So we'll just pull one of the makeup brush and apply it into the inner corner of my eyes. So I'll be taking this particular champagne shade for this purpose, and yeah, and it's very pigmented. Now taking the same shade and just putting into my eyebrow arch. Now for my face, I've got this particular product. Yeah. Oh, I forgot my mascara. Okay, so for the mascara, again I'm using the Nina mascara, and it is called the Waterproof Definition Mascara, and that is how the actual mascara looks like. And that is how the wand of it looks. It's very flexible, like you can see it's very flexible. So let's see how it works on my eyelashes. It's nice, it separates my eyelashes pretty well. So I really like the mascara. It has opened up my lashes pretty well, and I think it has done a decent job in giving a definition to my eyes. As it says, it's a definition mascara, so something like really good. And I messed up my under eye area. Okay, for my cheeks, I recently bought this duo by elf. It comes with a blusher and this thing which is supposed to be a highlighter or something, but I don't think I can use it much, and that is how the blusher looks like, which is again pretty dark for my skin tone. But since that is what I have got, let me give it a try. It has a very nice warm undertone to it. Yes, now moving on to my highlighter, I am going back to this baby, and yeah, it looks so blingy in the pan, but when you work it on your skin, it gives a very nice subtle glow, which is something amazing for a highlighter. So for my lips, I have two products, one by a lip gloss by Nina and another one is these metallic lip kit by Makeup Revolution. I'll just swatch both of the products for you and then we'll see which one I would like to go. So this lip kit comes with these two products. One is the lip liner and another one is this lip gloss. This is how the color looks. The lip pencil itself is very metallic. And this is the gloss, and it's like really metallic. Now this Nina gloss I want to show you, it's very everyday sort of neutral color, so something my style. That is how the packaging looks like, and it's a very thick gloss. And that is how it looks. So I think with this dramatic eyes, I'm gonna go with this neutral lip color. Obviously, that looks more wearable, and yeah. Now I'll be using my Essence spray just to fix up my makeup. And yes, that is my finished look. What do you think about it? My overall verdict about the Nina product is I really like it. My favorite has to be this foundation, which I thought looks very weird to me, but when I really applied it, it was like really good on the skin, and especially it's a very good foundation for the summertime. And also if you belong to the oily skin and you like the medium coverage product, give it a shot. It's a little expensive, beyond 1,000 rupees, but something I think really amazing. Then the next product which I absolutely love has to be this lip gloss, because it's a very wearable shade, and this shade calls 112, and it's, yeah, that's it. It does not have a name, just a number, but I'll have all the product listed in the description box below. Then I love this particular highlighter. It's very subtle, looks very dangerous in the pan, but when you apply it, it's like really subtle. The glow which is going on the cheeks looks very subtle, so you can always work with it. Again, the concealer is something I really liked about it. The mascara is, I would not say it's beyond my expectation or anything, but it did not disappoint me as well. So it's nice, it feels light on my eyelashes, and it definitely separates them really well and make them like little dramatic. So again, I like it. Product I didn't like much is this elf duo. I was expecting something else, but the colors are not something up to my alley, so it's like, okay, I sort of didn't like it much. And what else? I love this lip duo lip kit by Makeup Revolution. I'll have it used in my next upcoming video, so don't worry about that. And moving on, I want to talk about two more products which you guys have been asking me about, and this is again by the brand called Nina. So this particular shade that I'm wearing on my nails right now is the brand by Nina, and this is the shade called 188, and that is how it looks inside the bottle. So I picked up 3 nail paints. They were retailed for 400 rupees, just in case you want to know about it. Then this particular shade I picked up, all metallic. And then I picked up a very classic wine shade which you can wear throughout the year. And yes, and I think that's all about it. This is my complete look. Let me know in the comment section how did you like it. By chance, if you guys have used Sanina product, what do you think about them? Which is the product which you think out of the entire haul you think is like really amazing, and something you think is like really flop show? This video a big thumbs up. If you are new to my channel and you have not subscribed to it, please click on that red button and be subscribed to my channel. Welcome to my family and enjoy every week videos. And yeah, that's all for the day. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I shall see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.